Hello children, welcome to Easy Maths channel by Rajeshwari. Today I am here to explain you the identities of trigonometry. What are the identities of trigonometry? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. These are the three identities. First, this second, this third. These are the three identities and we have to make use of these identities in our next exercise, that is 11.4. So it is very important to explain you these identities. So today in this video I will explain you these identities and what more formulas we can derive from this. The first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is the first identity. Always sum of these two ratios will be 1. How? We will take some example and we will solve. Suppose sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree is equals to, consider left hand side. Okay, we are solving this and we will prove that it is equal to 1. Do you know the value of sine 30 degree? Yes, it is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30 degree. Yes, it is root 3 by 2 whole square now. Now this square holds for both numerator as well as denominator. So this answer will be 1 square 1, 2 square 4 plus this square for numerator also 2 and square root will get cancelled. You will get 3 and 2 square is 4. So we got denominator is same. You can add the numerator directly. 1 plus 3 will give you 4 by 4. Means it is equal to 4 ones are 4 ones are means 1. Okay. So we have proved that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is possible only when the angle is same. You can't write here 30 degree and here 60 degree. Take care of this. Angle is same. Suppose in exam you get the question sin square 90 degree plus cos square 90 degree. What will be the answer? 1, because according to identity we have proved. We no need to calculate it again. We have proved that when these two angles are same, then sin square and cos square, this both will be equal to 1 here. Right? Now, from this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Theta being any angle. Now, from this, which more we can derive? Which more formulas we can derive? Suppose cos square theta goes here. Then sin square theta will be equals to 1 minus cos square theta. And suppose we want to find cos square theta. Cos square theta will be equal to sin square theta will go here. 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. From these two, I am calculating the value of sin square theta. If you want to find sin square theta, then it will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta will go that side. If you want to find cos square theta, sin square theta will go here. So cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Remember these two formulas. You have to use it in the next exercise, that is 11.4 exercise. Next identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay, in first identity it was plus sign, but here in second one it is minus sign. You have to remember. How to prove this? You take any angle. Sec square 30 degree minus tan square 30 degree is equals to 1. Okay. Now what is the value of sec 30? Sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. And here it is whole square minus tan square 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and whole square. We have to show that this is equal to 1. Okay. So you can write here consider LHS. And here we have to show it is equal to 1. So we will solve this and we will find out that this is coming answer 1. 2 square 4. And square root cancel. We got 3 here. 1 square 1 and root 3 square will be 3. Minus sign. Okay. Then denominator is same. Subtract the numerator 4 minus 1. 3 upon 3. Don't subtract 3 minus 3 0. No, it is wrong. Denominator will be as it is. Okay, 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones. Answer is 1. So we proved that sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. You can take any other angle value than 30 degree. You can take 60 degree, but these two angles should be same. That you have to remember. Okay, theta na, same angle. Theta, theta. 60, 60. 90, 90. Any other angle you can take and prove. Okay, so we proved that it is equal to 1. So this is the identity. Identity means if you subtract these two values, you'll get answer 1. Now what more we can derive? Which other formulas we can derive from this? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Now if I want to find sec square theta will be equals to 1. Tan square will go here. It will be plus tan square theta. Okay. Now if I want to find here tan square theta, then what you will get? Tan square theta will go here. It will become plus tan square theta. Sec square theta 1 will go here. It will be minus 1. Okay. Like this we got these two, and these are useful in solving the problems of next exercise. Next identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. In this also you can use any value. Suppose cosec square 60 degree minus cot square 60 degree. Consider LHS. Consider LHS means this side, and we will solve and we'll get the answer 1. So cosec 60 degree and cot 60 degree. What is the value of cosec 60 degree from the table? What is the value of cosec 60 degree? Cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3, and we have to take the square, minus cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. We have to take the square. Then 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, minus 1 square 1, root 3 square 3, 4 minus 1 3 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 ones. Answer is 1. In this way we have proved that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Now which other things we can derive from that? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So from this, if we want to find cosec square theta, what it will be? 1 plus cot square theta. Cot theta will go here. It will become plus cot square theta. Now if I want to write cot square theta, come on, tell me first. Cot square theta, what you will get? Yes, very good. You will get cosec square theta minus 1, because 1 will go here, it will become minus, and cot square theta will go there, it will become plus cot square theta. So we will got these two things. Now practice these identities, how to write it, and by heart them identities, and plus two more formulae which we can derive from these identities. These are useful in solving the problems. So you should be perfect in these three identities I have told. So you should be perfect in all these three identities. And remember, in first identity there was plus sign, but in other two there is minus sign here. Okay, so you practice writing and by heart this. Till then, I will be ready with the next exercise and you be ready with your pen and pencil and notebook. Bye bye.